Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Huawei Watch to an Infinix phone. First, ensure both your Huawei Watch and Infinix Phone are charged to at least 50%. This prevents unexpected interruptions during the pairing process. Next, enable Bluetooth on your Infinix Phone through the Settings menu. You should also download the official Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store before proceeding. Open the Huawei Health application on your Infinix Phone after installation. Go to the Devices tab, then select Add Device to begin. Choose your exact Huawei Watch model from the displayed list. Your phone and watch will then show a pairing request. Confirm it on both screens. The connection typically establishes within 30 to 45 seconds, ensuring a smooth setup. Sometimes, pairing might not work on the first attempt, which is normal. A simple restart of both your Huawei Watch and Infinix Phone often resolves minor glitches. Also, try clearing the Huawei Health app's cache through your phone's application settings. Ensure no other Bluetooth devices are actively trying to connect, as this can interfere. Keeping both devices updated with the latest software is also crucial for seamless connectivity. Once connected, grant the Huawei Health app all requested permissions to unlock full features, including fitness tracking and notifications. Take some time to explore the app. You can personalize watch faces and manage your notification preferences there. Keep the Huawei Health app running in the background on your Infinix Phone for uninterrupted data synchronization. Remember to check for watch firmware updates periodically within the app to enjoy new features and improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.